Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very unique and beautiful pen stand which is made on the theme of Rubik cubes. So can you see this, how beautifully it is designed using quilling patterns, and on fourth side there is a surprise. I have created one photo frame on fourth side on which you can add your photo with your dad for the Father's Day, and also this is a pen stand, so this is a utility box for gift. So let's get started. First I am taking these 5 pieces of mount board which measures 9 by 9 centimeters, and also we need some connectors to join the mount boards, and this measures 9 by 3 centimeters. We just need to fold these pieces in half and then chop the corners using scissors. Instead of mount board you can also use cardboard. Now I will first join 4 mount board pieces on the 4 sides of the center mount board piece. So using these connectors we need to join these mount board pieces. Burnish it very well. And similarly, first I am attaching these connectors on all 4 sides. And then I am connecting 4 mount boards on these connectors. Just keep 1 mm gap between these mount boards so that we can easily fold it to construct the pen stand. Like this. And now using some more connectors we need to connect these 4 sides together to make box kind of shape. So first adding these connectors with 4 sides and then I will make the box. Like this. Then using some more same size connectors I am adding these inside the box on bottom edge. Similarly adding one more connector on the side edge, and also we need to cover the top edge. So in short we need to cover the box from all the sides whether it is inside or outside or on the edge, you have to cover it with the connector. So just complete it for all the sides, and after covering it with the connectors from all the sides, it should look like this. Now I'm decorating it from inside using some pattern papers. First I'm adding one piece of pattern paper in the bottom, and then I am decorating the inner edges. Like this. So the inside part is done for the pen stand. Now here I am taking these 4 color cardstock squares. This measures 3 by 3 centimeters, and 7 pieces we need for each color. Now just we have to arrange these colors like Rubik's cube. So randomly add these colors, and we are leaving one side for the photo frame. That's why I am arranging these cubes only on 3 sides, and for that reason I have taken 7 quantity for each shades. If you are covering all 4 sides, then you have to take 9 pieces for each color. So just randomly add these colors here and there. Try to not repeat same colors nearer. Make a contrast look, it looks nice. Similarly, I am decorating remaining 2 sides. So this is done. I have added these squares on remaining 2 sides, and on this side I have decorated the edge using this beautiful rope design. So I have already prepared these ropes using this rope mold, and to make the ropes I have used Sakura air dry clay. So I am going to add these rope designs all over the edge of the design, and if you don't have this mold, you can also use real rope to decorate this, or also you can add the row of half cut pearls all over the edge and also on the inside edge. Now cut the rope according to the size before sticking. Similarly, for the inner parts, I am cutting it in small sections. and this is completely done. Similarly adding on this side. Now I'm starting with making the quilling designs. So for the red portion I am taking one strip of red color and making one leaf shape. For all the quilling designs I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the leaf shape is ready, and for the small tight coils I am using 1/4 strip of peach color. Now taking back my pen stand, and on the red portion I am going to connect these leaves first in 4 corners, just making the cross pattern. Then adding these peach tight coils in this empty space. Like this. Similarly I am starting with the yellow pattern. So instead of cross I am making diamond pattern for this, and again using yellow leaf shape which is made using one strip of yellow. Then adding 4 off-white color tight coils in corner which are made using 1/4 strip, and for the center tight coil I have used half strip of off-white color. Similarly decorating this yellow square. Then for the blue one I am going to decorate in one corner. So first I am adding 2 leaves which are made using 1/1 strips of blue color like a V shape in corner, and in the center of this I am adding half strip of blue color leaf shape. So for all the color design I am using different patterns, but you can repeat the same design for all squares, it's up to you. Now in the corner I am adding half strip of tight coil which is made using light blue color, and 2 1/4 strip of tight coils which are made using on both the sides of this big tight coil. So decorating all blue squares. And now for the green portion, in 4 corners I am adding these leaf shapes which are made using half strip of green color, adding tight coil in 4 corners using light green color 1/4 strip, and in the center I have added dark green tight coil which are made using half strip of dark green. In the same way I am adding the design on this green square. And this is completely done. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I am decorating the center parts of each design using small mirrors. These are 3 mm mirrors. I have given link for all the supplies in description box if you want to purchase anything. So this is done. It's looking absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And in the same way I have decorated all the remaining sides. It's looking super duper attractive. Now I will start making frame for this side. So here I am taking this pattern paper which measures 9 by 9 centimeters, and first I am sticking it on the base. Then here I am taking this frame which is also measures 9 by 9 centimeters, and from all 4 sides I kept 1 centimeter gap to make the frame. I cut the center part, added acetate sheet on back, and then on 3 sides I have added mount board strips and kept 4th side as it is because we are going to slide photograph from top. So instead of mouldboard strip, you can also use double-sided foam tape. Now just adding glue on these mouldboard strips and sticking with the base. Then I am decorating one corner using some leaf cutouts and white color quilling flowers. Since our box is already very colorful, so I am keeping the flowers in white colors only. And now I am just sliding my photograph from this photo frame, and he's my dad. So I am going to give this pen stand on Father's Day to my dad, and you can keep pen, scissors or any stationery item in this pen stand, and it also looks very vibrant and beautiful from all the sides like a Rubik's cube. Isn't it a great idea to gift on Father's Day? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.